Have you ever woken up in your strangely messy room, gotten angry at a random sock, yeeted it at the window, and all of a sudden, a dog appears. And for some reason, when you smack this dog, it has no effect. And then you get a little angry at this dog. And you smack it with a blowtorch. And still no effect. Yes, I know it got a little burnt, but it doesn't actually damage it. But yeah, so that's the theme of this video. Figuring out how to defeat this thing. Bro straight put a hole in my wall. And the ground. What are you made out of? Honestly, metal. Happy? Oh my gosh, I'm petting it. Is what I would say if this was a dog I cared about. If any of you know me, especially like in real life, you know that I'm a huge dog person and I never do this in real life or in any other game. The only reason I'm doing this is because this dog is scary. The reason I say that is because of this. Like, bro is just chill with that? Like, what? Like, this is not okay. So, we have lots of interesting weapons here, such as pipe bomb, which explode in midair. Another pipe bomb. Don't ask me why they're bananas. Just another one of the random mods I install. A literal bomb on his head. Perfectly fine. No effect. What the? Oh, this is new. I haven't used this before. This is very interesting. Let's see how the dog holds up against an anti-air military weapon. Oh, it's fine. A little burnt, but fine. Oh, I missed. There goes my garage. Friendly fire, bro. Can I fly? No. That looks like it hurt, but it still has no effect. Let's just for fun see. Yeah, there's a lot of mods, but a T-Rex. This is a T-Rex, how it holds up to this gun. Dead. This is how the dog holds up to the gun. Completely fine. Minus the fact that he... Ooh. Gotta feel bad for this boy. But no, I don't. As I was saying, for younger audiences, this video is not appropriate. Sort of, I mean... It's just jam. What about it? Anyways. Fly. Ouch. I can't fly with this. I'm disappointed. Oh, wait, I forgot I have a jetpack. That was dumb. So yeah, the literal anti-air weapon did nothing. Let's just see. For the record, I have an alien spaceship somewhere. Give me a second. Mothership. This thing. Alien spaceship. And this is how it holds up against the anti-air weapon. Ah! Gate broken? Aw, man, I destroyed my gate. This is normal, right? I'm so confused. When will I hit the ground? I'm falling nearly as fast as the bullets. If I shoot it sideways, they're going straight up. What the? Oh. Where's the spaceship at? Oh, there it is. Oh, and my game just froze. Nah, bro, my game literally just crashed. It did not like whatever I was doing. at least this game loads relatively fast. So it won't be even it's not even a minor, not even an inconvenience. That was kind of funny, the straight my PC just was like, nah, bro. Let's not spawn the UFO this time. I've noticed this is a very laggy map. Anyways, we're back with the dog, looking slightly less scorched. Don't you dare break this glass fence. It's very expensive. Can dog swim? This water. Oh, he's drowning. Oh no. Can I grab his tail? What's wrong with his leg? Oh, okay. That's the closest I've ever seen him to take damage, is like if his leg glitches. We could make him fly. That sounds fun. Dog, get over here. Put some rocket boosters on him. Who knows? Maybe this will actually do something. He's just like, what are you doing to me? Fly! Oof. That looked, not enjoyable. And he's fine. Let me, sorry about the fact that you're in the ground like that. Let me fix it. I think I fixed it, right? Are you good? Get out of the ground. Stop messing around. I have a video to record. Get out of the ground! I said get out of the ground. Get. Okay, buddy. Get. Sometimes I wonder why I even have this mod pack installed. I can literally just uninstall it and then I defeat the dog. But we don't take things out the easy way. We take them out the hard way. Which doesn't seem too effective. You know, I forgot I can just straight teleport him. Boink. There, he's fine. A little burnt, but still fine. When I mean die, I mean like actually get blown to bits, not burnt. Yeah, I do like this anti-air weapon. For the record, let's test it on a tank. Cause, I mean, I don't know what else to test it on, like an actual helicopter? Nah, bro. That is not a tank. I clicked the wrong thing. This is a tank. Try that again. Just gonna spawn another tank casually. And we have this at the ready. Just for the record, this is how strong the tanks are. Well, first of all, they have, you know, a rocket booster. But they drive through, I'm gonna drive through this entire house. Like, it's nothing, bro. Massive thing of concrete. Oh, I missed. Yeah. Tanks are pretty strong in this game. Oh, I crashed it. This was not part of the video. Let's try that one more time. Yeah, I'm very... for the fourth time, let's try that again. I feel a reoccurring theme here. Let's see. This is what I mean. Ouch. Perfect condition. Not even the lights are scratched. And now I hear explosions. Interesting. It sometimes gets a little messed up when it tries to climb the... I'm just gonna run over it. Okay, yeah, look at, I barely have any damage. I'm pretty sure the only damage is the fact that the dog's literally sitting in it right now. Well, break. But yeah, you get the idea. Tanks are pretty strong in this game. I could show you more, but I don't feel like it. Okay, so this tank is in good condition. Yep, perfect condition. And now, it is basically broken. Do a little more. And yeah, no more tank. Pretty impressive. And I think maybe, do I have a helicopter somewhere? Helicopter. Mega prop pack? Helicopter. Military. Heli? Oh shoot. I actually spawned in a helicopter. You are the perfect. Are you gonna shoot? If you shoot, I shoot back. Oh, he's not gonna shoot. What is he gonna do? Greetings. Oh, he is shooting. Well, I shoot back. Yeah. I think I see why it's an anti-air cannon. Maybe it's just really ineffective against ground vehicles or something. No, I don't think it is. I don't really think, I don't know. Okay. Also, fun fact, my parents are letting me post whenever I want, so that's gonna make our posting hopefully better. And yeah, so let's see. What other weapons can we test against the Doge? We got, let's see how he handles me when I have drugs. Breathing intense. What is this? What, a smoke gun? I don't think that's gonna do nothing. What is this? Oh, I just impaled him with bones. What the? What does this do? Oh, it summons an entire UFO. Oh god. Beat that, dog. Oh, okay. Bro, the aliens healed you? What is wrong with these guys? What is, I still do to this day, I don't know what that does. Could you please, aha, I found the tactic. He can't get up here now, he's staying. What a good boy he is. Yeah, he's stuck, he can't get to me. What was that? Bleh. Wait. Bleh. Bleh. I don't know. Don't ask. Okay, this looks, oof, painful. Wait a minute. Ouch! I hit myself there. I don't know why I can't see myself, but I definitely was there. Yeah, that's not gonna be good for you. And I missed. Well, let's burn him to death now. Yeah, it's not working. Slimes. What are these guys? Get slimed! Ooh. Well, they're certainly destroying the stairs. Hook shotgun. Grapple. Oh, it's amazing. Ouch. I grappled myself. Okay. Okay. Don't ask what this grapple is made out of. Oh, I opened the door. How nice. Can I close the door? I can open and close. Nice. And I can eat. I can also eat this. Ah! Huh. That makes sense. Ouch. Yeah, that totally makes sense. Oh, there it is. Fly! Okay. Why don't we make a hole in the roof? And then eat the car. Something tells me I don't need that hole. Yeah. I don't know what this has to do with the dog. It's just a demonstration of this thing's power. Ah! Oh, there goes my car. Dang it. Then again, I can't just spawn. Oh, a lava gun! Well, that's not a good thing for the dog. Okay. Okay. Put a hole through the ground, but not you. Yeah, I don't know. This doesn't make much sense, but vacuum. Oh, it just healed it. What is it gonna spit out now? C4 explosive. Wait, did I just put like 1,000 in one spot? Get over here. Ooh, that did a bigger explosion than I thought it would. Let's see how the dog is once I respawn. Oh, it's fine. It's flying. Why is it flying? This is exactly why I have to defeat this dog. It's too powerful to live. Where is it? Oh, it's swimming. How nice. Oh, it's RC. Wait, can I, some questions. This thing looks a little damaged, but who cares? Be RC'd. Aha. And now, oh, I got a whole RC tank. This is what I needed growing up. I think I'd be get ran over. Oh, that other tank is just, oh, they can't fire when they're RC'd. Anyways, got an attack drone. Why do I have a feeling this ain't gonna do nothing? I missed. I'm not missing now. I have a bow. Pew! This is kind of a useless bow. It's not doing anything. Let alone to the dog, to anything. I am yet to see it do any damage to a tree. Can it damage a tree at least? Better be able to damage a tree. It can't damage a tree? No, the tree just straight up used the force and stopped it. Okay. Oh, it can damage a tree. How impressive. Got a flail. Why do I have a feeling that this is going to be very buggy? Oh, I don't know. I don't know why I got that feeling. I can just fly. I've gotten weird glitches with the flail. Like if I do this enough, I'd fly away. Doink. To doink. Doink. Oh! Oh God. Ah! I'm worried. Uh-oh. That's not good. Run! Uh-oh. Hide. We gotta hide. This tank is, it's too. Oh, that was a bad idea. Now there's like 1,000 tanks flying around. God. Boink. The house? Does the house work? Can I just magnetize the entire house? I'm gonna keep clicking on things until I can magnetize. I got the gravitizer. It's basically the magnet. Ooh. It's like the same thing. It just does that. Instead of whatever this is. Okay, stop. Oh, there it goes. He's going. Okay, where's my dog at? Let me try to spawn him. Give me a minute and I'm gonna spawn my dog. Come back. Hey, there he is. That's our boy. That is our boy. And I gotta use the bathroom. I'll be right back. Wasn't that cool? It's instantaneous. How nice. What is this? What am I holding? Oh, it's a thing. Anyways, the gravitizer was kind of funny. Honestly don't know. So what do we do? Get that connected to the dog? That looks like a bad thing. Boy. That goes to this. Oh, that's the gravitizer. Wrong one. Magnet. Oh, that car despawned. To magnet. Oh, shoot. Stop. Okay, well, none of this is obviously gonna work. So we got a minigun. What is that blood? I don't think so. Get back here. It's flying away. Yeah, I don't think that was. Whoa, it teleported. Nah, it's fine. I got my hopes up. It kind of looked like blood, maybe, but what was it? What? Oh, it was the dirt. It was like maybe. Why are you still floating? This is not funny. I give him normal gravity, yay! I just clicked on him, and now he's normal-ish thing. Bro, I can't grab him. Why can't I grab him? Yeah, I think he's alive. Yeah, he's definitely alive. Great, minigun didn't even work. A literal minigun. Something sort of worked temporarily. We got spray. You can spray things. I don't know. Got that verify. It's balls. Nice. Oh, this should do something, right? No? Okay. My most powerful weapon that you've yet to see. The pianos. I missed. Dang it. Stop! This is not okay. I don't like the stuff that's floating. It's really weird. Anyways, what I was saying is my most powerful weapon. The pianos! No, like actually I can just throw pianos at light speed. I can also make them explode. And I can also do this. Oh, I can just spawn them in. That's so cool. Also do that. I can play. Ah! Dude, bro, straight up, like those pianos really just oofed me. I can't believe I died to a piano. I can play the piano in real life too. Maybe I'll give you guys a video of that at some point in my real thing, but anyways, what was I doing? Oh yeah, pianos. So scroll down, piano. So, piano spawn. I can't. Yeah, you know, I'm done with this. Okay, guys, ready? I'm gonna play the piano in real life. I don't know if you guys can hear this. So, real quick, let me see. That piano kind of sucked, not gonna lie. You can still hear me. Oh, nice. You can hear my voice at least. Don't know how it sounds like. Maybe sometime. Don't count on that. The funny part is that was Megalovania from Undertale. The joke was that is what happened in hard mode. You know the Undertale hard mode meme? You know, like hard mode coming soon, maybe. Don't count on it. It's like that. You're probably never gonna see a full thing. Good. That felt good, showing off my piano skills in the middle of gaming. Anyways, you get the idea. Yeah, I can make pianos just rain from the sky at light speed. Okay, that must have done something, right? I mean, it completely destroyed the entire area. You'd think. Yeah, you'd think it worked. But where is the dog? Ah! The piano just exploded. I hear it? Oh, it's in there. It's in the pool. It felt like going for a swim. Stop playing around. Why can't I pick you up? Yeah, no, this ain't working. I think, I don't care why I can't pick him up. Let's try that again. Loading. How interesting. This is prime content right here. This loading screen. Anyways. Dog. Dog? The dog tells the teacher to remember homework. This is what you do. Grab dog. Open window. Or don't. Yeet dog. You're supposed to be yeeted. Get yeeted. That's what you do. That meme was an original. I just turned it into dog instead of child. To be less, so I don't get canceled. What? Did you just destroy my gaming setup? Nah, bro. That's not even a gaming setup. Never mind. You're fine. You're perfectly fine. Just don't. But I'm warning you. If you so much as touch my gaming setup. Anyways, back to my gaming setup. Open up. I don't know what that sound is. I'm just gonna go to my room. I honestly don't know how to control this thing. I'm just clicking buttons. These are some quite interesting doors. Oh, there's opened. This is the gaming. This is a bar, I think. Oh, no, don't cancel me. But Yeah, this is where I game. Bro, where's the PC? I can't even play Minecraft. What a ripoff. I don't care if this PC costs thousands of dollars on its own. I need a PC or else it's useless. What can I say? Wait, does this elevator go up? No, it doesn't. That would have been cool. Oh, okay, a movie theater. What are we... Hey! Bro! I missed the movie? Nah, bro. Got some nice speakers. Nah, bro. I don't miss a movie. Oof. Sorry. Sorry about that. I didn't think it would completely destroy the entire thing. I'm gonna go now. I feel awkward about this. I'm gonna go to my room because I won't damage anything there because it's mine. So, you know, why would I damage it? Okay, buddy. This is not how my room looks. I keep it clean. Because if I don't, my brain is mad at me. Yeah, my OCD cannot handle having a room that looks anything like this. So, we get the dirty stuff. Okay, what are these windows made out of? Now this is where I can play Minecraft. The couch isn't close enough. Let's get it a little closer so I can have the prime gaming experience. Oh, the couch is broken. I don't care. I'm gonna be gaming now. Okay, where's my... I gotta pull out my controller real quick. This is an appropriate controller, right? This is normal. So, something tells me that's wrong controller. Yeah, that was a joke. I'm not that stupid. Right, I think I am. Don't quote me on it. I might be stupid. I don't know. Just saying. Self-insulting, the best form of comedy. I don't even know if it is. Anyways, well, there's something I guys haven't really shown you yet. Spider-Man. I honestly don't know what this was. This is not what I was going to show you. Good to know. Be Spider-Man! Holy, I'm literally Spider-Man, bro. I just watched the Spider-Man movie. Or the Miles one. Because it's the best one. No, I'm supposed to hit them? Oh, I'm dumb. Nah, bro, I don't feel like it. Die. How do I get this? Sir? What's happening? Oof. Oh, being Spider-Man sucks. Ah! Me outside. Open up doors. Spider-Man's on the way! I look like one of those weird toys you get at the places. Why do I hear nuke sound effects? I don't like that. No, I'm actually what? I don't know why, I just checked to make sure it wasn't real. Even though I don't live in a huge nukeable city. Anyways. Ouch. Spider-Man can swim? Oh my god. Okay. That makes sense. No, actually, what is the nuke sounds though? No, what is that? I'm actually scared. Why am I actually scared? The nuke sounds just give me anxiety. I don't know why. So sorry you have to hear that. At least it's gonna be over soon. That or I get nuked, I don't know. Can I please be a normal person again? Great! Continue. No, I'm still Spider-Man. Restart. Well, that was dumb. I wonder what the nuke was. That really scared me for some reason. Nukes give me anxiety, okay? Oh, I forgot the whole point of this episode. To murder this dog. Because it's invincible and I don't trust it. So here's a thing. Go to spawn and type in nuke. See what happens. Oh. Well, let's go. I bet you can do my work for me. Oh, that was a god bad idea. Kill the dog, please. Inside. That was a bad idea. Get in here. Safety. Close the door. What do I do? What do I do? Get my anti-air. That's an idea. You know, I'm tired of running. Do you know how many times I've hidden fear because of this little thing? I mean, come on. How bad could it actually be? It's not like it's crashing my game yet. Emphasis on yet, but who cares? Prepare to get beaten on! You stupid piece of junk! Oh god. I don't like what that is. Oh, what is it shooting? Well, that's nice. Holy. What is that? What is that? Get out of my home, bro. I mean, yeah, I spawned you, but you're still angering me. So get out. Why are you not taking damage? Are you another thing? Oh god. Stop staring at me, please. Oh, what are you doing? Boy, I'm the one who's on top here. Oh jeez, I'm glad you missed. Now this is what I call aerial combat. I'm gonna get on top of him and see how he likes that. Oh, he did not like it. I'll say that. Hi. Oh god. Ah! Yeah, that is what he can do. I thought I actually had a chance there with that gun. I've never tested it on it, so maybe. But anyways. Here's another thing. I have the best idea on how I can finally get my defeat, or I can finally defeat the dog. He's just chilling, right? How nice. Micro cruise ship. Oh, look at the little. Look at that. Oh, he's fine? Nah. We can't be having that. We cannot be having that. Yeah. Okay. Ignore the fact that I don't know how to spell yacht. But you get the idea. I can't let that slide. So, stop following me. How do you like a boat? Isn't that nice? Oh, that wasn't enough for you? Really? Well, how do you like another yacht? You know what? On the topic? Oh, shoot. You know, I don't. There's no way he can survive this. I mean, look at it. He just got crushed by two massive, insane yachts. Oof. Right? Nah, bro. He better not. What is this? Are you just chilling, bro? Is he actually just chilling under all this rubble? We'll see. I'll help him. I'm just gonna help him. Don't mind me. I'm just rescuing him from the yachts. Nah. I hear him. Yeah, just helping. Nah, bro. He just fine? Okay, buddy. Nah, bro. Stop. I know exactly what to do with you. Buddy! Time to be annihilated. Take it! Ouch. Sometimes I wish the jetpack was a little more powerful. And he's just fine. Yeah, I honestly don't know if there's any real way to defeat him. But can I just grab a lamppost and smack him with it? Oof, that looked painful. Let's have him fight another T-Rex, why don't we? Or let's just say BB-72. Oh, this looks not sus. Oh, wait, I've already tested all these. We got a bus. Oh, that's not the bus. I clicked on the wrong thing. That is not a bus either. Monster bus. Oh, I just shot it. I mean, I know you're all dying to see me drive this thing, but it's not really that cool. Did you just pee on the bus? I decapitated him. Oh my god, I finally... Never mind. Good idea, Carl. Thanks. Who's Carl? What is the red stuff? No, like, actually. What? Is that, like, your nose? Just, like, got smeared on you? No. Okay, let's see. What else can we spawn in? Weapon. Anti-air. Anti... Is this an anti-blast wall, huh? We'll see about that. Uh-huh. Yeah. Anti-blast. Totally. So that means you're stronger. Where'd he go? Oh, he's there. Hello. You're stronger than a lot of stuff, actually. I've actually managed to do damage on that. What's in here? Oh, frustrum? Tied posters. Okay, let's try missile. What's in here? Oh. Launcher. Rocket launcher mech? Mech! Oh no, I can get into this. Hacking the mech. Releasing the mech. Hacking, releasing. I'm spawn him in right, sorry. Hey. Sorry. Oh, I see fight my enemies. Hi. If I release you, are you gonna kill me? Yes. Bad boy. Love it. If I release this guy, are they gonna fight? He's gonna be angry, right? Yeah, I don't know. That's not really a mech, I would say. It's more of a thing, but we can also get a snake. A drivable snake. Snake. Angry snake, friend snake. It's kind of sus, but it's a snack. The dog is in the snack too, for some reason. And then we got the big snack. Oh, that is a really big snack. If I smack him, is he gonna be angry? He's fine. Why is his neck moving like a gun? Greetings, sir? You... Oh, okay. That's fair, I just die. Oh, I forgot the fact that there's yachts here. That yacht's destroyed. Look. What can I spawn in that it would be nice? No, I just thought of something. Nah, this would be insane if it worked. Oh, this would actually be so crazy. If I can get this thing to not instantly die. Oh, in the water, if I put it in the ocean. I forgot we have like a little mini ocean out here. Oh my gosh, if this works. Oh, this is insane. I just thought of something. I remembered a mod I installed. It's for cars and it allows them to fly. And the question is, does it do the same with boats? Because it seemed pretty random. Like, it even worked on other modded, like, cars. So I think it just, like, I don't exactly know how it does it. I love the boats in this game. They're pretty fun, though. Okay. Oh, yeah. It works. Oh, that's brilliant. That is actually... Okay. Okay, buddy. This isn't how this even makes any sense. Wait, will it still be flying? Can I just walk around on it? Like, if I get it really high up, are you gonna stay high? No, he's gonna instantly try to smash into the ground. Oh, my dog's barking. Yay. I love when he does that. It just ruins the audio. I'm gonna get really high and then hope that it doesn't instantly die. Please, please, stay. Wait, I bet. My bet was wrong. Oh, but it didn't damage the boat. Great. So it should still be trying to hover right now. What is it making it hover, though? His cars, their wheels, like, move and then it starts hovering. I bet the engine is doing something right now that it shouldn't. The engine room's being real buggy, so I'm assuming that's it. That is... This is just too funny. Oh! Duh. No. Fly. H. Fly. Fly. No. Fly. Take off. Do something. Come on. Ah, crappy boat. Guess boats aren't meant to fly, but... Okay. What insane stuff can I do with this newfound information? A telehandler. That is not anything interesting. Excavator. So if this... It's a flying excavator! Okay, this is gonna be useful against the dog. You see me getting kind of off the track. Yes, I know tanks can fly. Wait, semi-truck. How would this work? Because that's the truck and that's the crate. So would they? Yeah, they just all. Oh, that's actually really well made. Wait, like the semi-truck works? That is really good, actually. Anyways. So let's try spawning in a different boat. I bet this is gonna be even funnier for some other boats. So obviously we got that. And then we got some other boats. If I type in boat. So we got that, the boats. But then we've also got other packs. Like make a prop pack. Prop. Hello, rock. Boat 1. That is a crappy boat. Boat 2. That is also a crappy boat. They're all the same. And boat stand. Oh, that's not what I asked for. Boat 3. They're literally all exactly like twins. You got Isle. Ruined. Well, oh, that's sad. I mean, I can do that myself. Why do I need to spawn in one? Boat piece, boat engine, boat wood. Nothing, bruh. Quillas, boat paint. Huh, weird. Vehicle. Banana boat. LTS boat. What in the... That's a neat looking boat though. Wait a minute. That looked a little, interesting. Why do I feel like it has some secret ability? I just got a feeling. Oh, that did not go well. You gonna work? No, it's floated back up. Nice. Seriously though, why do I feel like this thing has some secret like power? Okay, let's try to spawn in a new one because that's not working. Boink. Okay, these boats just can't float for some reason. How? That's relatively huge and equally sinky. Medium boat. That isn't. That's actually a medium boat. Not gonna lie. Pretty small. Oh, great. Oh, I just typed in www. Anyways, if that's not working, then we got the party boat, small boat, swan boat. We want party boat. I'm drowning. Why am I get? Okay, so why are these boats all sinking? None of them are that good, anyways. Let's just spawn in. What is wondering? I just had to swan boat side. What the? Stupid. Anyways, I guess yacht is the way to go. Amy? Norton. Oh, that's useless. At least I don't know. So, heavy machinery, medium boat. How is this heavy machinery? I don't get that. Spawnable? Small speed boats. Tiny speed boat. That is not even like a boat. Oh, it works? Ah, that's great. Please, it has to fly. Please, fly. Come on, they better fly. That's depressing. Obviously, wait, what other mini things? There's spawnable tiny. Small boats, small yachts. We got small yachts. Small yachts. Oh, look at the little thing. Oh, I can hear it. It's so loud. Why'd it go upside down? Small helicopters. If this flies, it would make my day. It flies! It's over! Oh, that's great. But equally useless. So yeah, let's just spawn in. Wait, what if I search yacht? So that's how you spell it. Yacht. So we got. Oh, that's a nice one. That's the one you can find actually, like spawned in somewhere. Yeah, it's not like the crappy one that you get. Yeah, island. Whoa, buddy, this is insane. Oh wait, it's the exact same yacht. I'm so stupid. Why did I think it was different? Yeah, this is the normal yacht. I can only spawn in the yacht island usually. Are all the boats sinking? Seriously. Why are they all sinking? Do tell. I don't care if it's sinking. I must have read it. Okay. Is this just this water just not programmed? Floating? Like is floating just not a program for this water? Can I drive it? Like why can't I drive it? It's not drivable? It's not even a drivable yacht? Okay, let's spawn in the weird island yacht. Fine. It's the only one that like works in this map for some reason. And if it doesn't work, I don't even know. Oh great, it doesn't even work. It's not drivable? Bro, the prop pack is all fake. Still. That is stupid. Anyways, I'll just be flying. Wait, I have an idea. Vehicle thrusters. Don't think you expected this, did ya? Why is it floating? That's nice, I guess. This thing will literally be like rocket speed. That's the idea anyways, if the dog stops moving. Stop it! Bad dog. Okay, that's good enough. I'm too lazy to do anymore because it's being weird. Hover. Yep. Oh yeah. It's got speed built in. That is hilarious. I'm driving a literal spaceship now, basically. And that's basically what this is. Anyways, back to the whole mission. Oh, wait. It'll be doing that. It's, for some reason, fine. But it's floating just like an inch off the ground. That's hilarious. This is gonna be so hilarious if it works, though. I'm combining a lot of... Oh. Why ain't it working? I think I have an idea. The fact that the boat's literally flying. Pretty cool though that I can still RC an entire boat. Oh, that's normal. Oof. Oh, that didn't even damage me. Oh, I can just destroy all the trees I want. That's nice. Is this thing just like indestructible? Let's try flying into this. I feel like it's not. Nope, it is. For some reason. Or maybe it's just getting more realistic. Let me try driving it into this. It's fine. This doesn't feel right. Why does this not feel right? Can I do first person? Oh my gosh, yes I can. Why is the boat just indestructible? This is amazing. Look, I'm using the tunnel. What can I say? I'm actually like using it. Look, isn't that nice? Anyways, also I have no need of my room anymore. I have a massive flying boat. Like, what's the point of having a room if you have a boat? Oh, sorry room. The gaming setup is sacred though. I can't touch that. I'll destroy the entire area, but I won't destroy the gaming setup. Or at least I won't try to. Okay, boat. Let's get out. Look at that. Gaming setup is untouched. That was the dog's pee? Okay. I'm questioning the actual fact that that's a dog. I still don't get why this thing's indestructible. I find it really hilarious though. I do find it great that the boats can literally just fly in this game. If you're finding that as funny as I am, subscribe and like, or yeah, I don't know, I'm too lazy to actually do that. Oh wait, can you get out of your hover mode so that it doesn't confuse the game? Oh, it's already was that. Okay. Look at that, in hover mode, a normal boat. Can I remote control it? Sorry, my sinuses are up or something. I don't know. Anyways, airstrike. Oh wait, that was the wrong thing. Never mind. RC. Buddy. Oh, that's working. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. It's going, bro. Wait, can it? It can go out of the border. Because I ain't in it. Or it's just completely breaking the game. I don't know. No, bro, you peeing on my yacht? Okay. Okay, not only did you pee on it, you are completely destroying it. Why is that not working? Well, you actually like broke my yacht. It's just going. It is escaping. It ain't coming back. I gotta turn it around, which isn't working. Up. Go up. Hover. There's a hover button. Oh, I landed on the dog and took damage. Yeah, there goes that boat. You know, I should have just done something I did a long time ago. Defeating the dog is pretty simple. I said I wouldn't do it, but there's no way that I can kill this dog. So, doink. And then go to sandbox. And look at that. I've defeated the dog. It's not gonna be here. And if it is, I'm gonna freak out and delete the game. Yay, I don't have to delete the game. But yeah. We defeated the dog. You just wasted an hour of your life. And I've just knocked over this fountain. So yeah, if you feel like me trying to defeat a dog, that's basically a god, subscribe. And there's no fifth person in there, fourth person, the third person in this game, so I'll just be standing here in this beautiful sunset. As I say, thanks for watching, and good boy.